Hello everybody, Jimmy here, and today we are going to be playing a game called Turbo Dismount. Now this is a game where you basically have a character and you try to make him do crazy stunts and stuff like that. Like this that I'm doing right here, and you can customize your character's face. So I have a picture of my cat, and there's no head. So it's a very fun game, and there's instant replays and stuff. It's really fun. And it's free on the App Store on my iPhone. And yeah, so you can customize your character. So that's my cat. And you basically just make him go around doing crazy stunts. And there's a lot of different levels to play, and you can make it go in slow motion. It's really cool. And yeah, so we're just going to be playing around with it for a little bit so I can show you some of the different levels. And at the time, if you don't pay, you only get 3 different cars. So that's not the best, but you can make some obstacles. Like I can put a turbo here, and a big ramp there. Stuff like that. Okay, so I am ready, and I'm going to change the vehicle to the Maximus, and you can also change the poses. Oop, nope, don't want that. So I'm just going to make my cat cling on for dear life, and you have to try to get the speed all the way right at the beginning, and let's go up the turbo, and do a, oh, that has got to hurt. And yeah, I think I can make that better. So if we take the ramp out, that'll probably help a lot. Let's make an oil slick. Okay, now we're ready. And whoom, oh, almost full there. So now we'll go faster at the beginning, and whoom, smash, and oh, my cat fell off. Oh, oh, that has got to hurt. And there's different cameras too, so this is what my vehicle is seeing. And this is exactly what my character is seeing. You can make him look around. Oh! Okay, so we're seeing the instant replay here. Ooh, oh, there's he gets knocked off the truck. And you can also make it go ultra speed. But, yeah, it's a very fun game. So I'm just going to be messing around, and let's change the camera view and change his pose so he's sitting back in the truck. So cute, little kitty. So cute. Okay, so let's get a good view of this, and go. Let's do this. And oh, we actually made the turn there, just barely. Oh, he fell out of the truck. He fell out of the truck. Let's see how the truck is still going. Ooh, he smashes into the car there. No. Okay, my cat is spared. My cat person. And let's see how he does. Ooh. He might just keep going around like this for a long time unless he hits a car. He might he's actually faring pretty well, which is not good. Okay, so let's actually switch the level. Let's go to the main menu. Play T-Junction. This one's fun. So, yeah. I'm going to do a little thing with the obstacles. Let's make that minefield, yeah. And just make that an empty square. Alright, we're ready. And go. This is going to be interesting. Boom! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh, that got hurt. Oh my goodness, we gotta watch that in slow-mo. 3, 2, 1. Okay, new high score, I bet. That was pretty amazing. Okay, we gotta watch that in slow-mo. So it's normal speed here, then slow it down right about here. Go over the speed ramp, and boom! Gets blown out of the car. This is just such a fun game. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's try a different level. Main menu. And let's play the original classic. I bet this is not going to be fun. This doesn't look very fun. Whoop! And, yeah. Yay, I made it. Ow! Ow, that hurt. Owie. Okay. Maybe we can spruce this up a little bit. Yeah. That looks much better. Woomph. Oh, no. Oh, that has gotta hurt. Meow. Meow, wow, wow. That'll be fun to watch in slow motion. Okay. So, yeah. Speed it up. I believe I can fly. I believe... Oh, I accidentally hit reset. That kind of ruined the moment. Okay. So now it'll curve around the turbo, so it just goes up. Oh, it actually hit the turbo. Ooh! Ooh. Oh. Poor kitty. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Okay. Main menu. And let's turn the volume up here. That's cool music. Okay. So, I'm gonna play... Watch a video to play this awesome level. Okay, I'll watch a video.
In the ancient realm of Elantra, sinister forces threaten peace. Nations take up arms. At the proud city of Thunderbolt, the mighty werebear, wise humans, and cunning elves fight beneath one banner.
Very suspicious. Age of Warriors, frozen Elantra. I don't want to buy that, though. Okay. So now we get to try out this exclusive level. I think you can also watch a video to get an exclusive car. Okay. This kind of looks like Marvel. Oh, yeah, it is. Well, not exactly Marvel, but superheroes. Aquaman. Ooh, that's lovely. Ooh. Wow. No, thank you. Oh, yeah. That's more like it. Let's see what other poses there are. Oh, no. Oh, goodness! Yeah, I think that's the best. This is fast. That'd make all the noise, too. Oh, oh, we've been hit. We've been hit. We must keep going. Oh, oh, oh. No. Oh, goodness. I'm telling you, that is definitely worth a replay. Oh, no. His head is gone. Okay. And let's watch it in first person. This is what my character is seeing. Ooh. Oh. Let's go back to the vehicle mode. This is really such a fun game. And we come out here, our wheels come off the ground. Ooh. Ooh. And... Ooh. Goodness gracious me. That is not good. Oh. And then the car gets hit. Oh, that poor kitty inside there. Ooh. And then, oh. This game is just so fun, though. But it seems we may have caused a bit of a traffic jam, unfortunately. Oh, the car is still going. Wow. Okay, well that is just about all I have time for. If you would like more general gaming videos, make sure to like and subscribe. I also do Minecraft and Terraria videos. And yeah, my name is Jimmy, and I will see you guys later. Bye!